I'm picking up a signal, sir. Captain, that's the old Morse code call signal.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
CQ, CQ.
We're reading it, Lieutenant.
What's that noise?
I believe it is a primitive form of communication known as Morse code.
You're right. I'm in a lot of practice. That's an S.
Oh, what was that?
What is that?
It's too regular to be random interference.
It's Morse code. Harry and I use it in the Captain Proton Holo program.
What's he saying?
Fuel converter rigged.
How about Morse code? You know Morse code, don't you?
I must have time to speak with Hoshi's mother.
Listen.
This afternoon, dots and dashes, Morse code. It's been used on Earth for centuries. It's a distress call.
H.
It still sounds like Morse code.
I. Come on.
K. Back. Stand back.
Stand back!
What are you standing around for? Do you not know a jailbreak when you see one?